Hey everybody, this is your favorite person on planet Earth. Yes, we're literally going. Why am I looking over there? The camera right there. I need to figure out a way to get this camera right. But anyway, what I look like. Yeah, I've been up all night dealing with these puppies. But it's been a good experience, a great experience. And everyone needs to experience that on a personal level. But anyway, getting back to YHWH.com. I'm putting YHWH.com out there. I'm going to put it on YouTube so that everybody, you can like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button if you like the product. Even if you don't like the product, buy the product, use the product, let other people give you feedback on the product. Buy, use, and give feedback, personal feedback. And in that process, you're gonna get everything that's necessary. We're gonna pay out commissions. You join Coinbase.com to get your crypto account. I pay in crypto. You understand me? The Coinbase account allows for you to put in cash, convert it to crypto, and then you're gonna convert the crypto back to cash. Whatever amount of money that I put in there, that's the amount of money you can get back in cash without the conversion costs. And there are no limitations with crypto. I'm the boss and you're the boss. You understand me? So that's what every individual on this planet, I don't know, maybe people really don't have a clear understanding about how the system is going to work for them. But when you use crypto, you eliminate a lot of factors that people have put in place that are unnecessary. You understand me? So we're going to deregulate on our own cause and on our own accord so that we can benefit financially. You, me, and every other individual, we can benefit financially by eliminating the restrictions, unnecessary restrictions. Yes, and the restrictions have been put in place to protect you and me from this day forward. Yet at the same time, with all of the restrictions, there have been a lot of issues that have come up that have prevented individuals from actually making spendable cash, not maybe cash, spendable, right now cash. No need to wait 30 days or 60 days or 15 days or 7 days or so forth and so on. No. These are commissions that I pay. And I pay these commissions is built on the circulation of cash. We must circulate cash. We need to stop spending it. Spend means you go buy a product and that's it. It drops off the cliff. You got a product, but you got no cash. With this system, where you're going to buy a product, become a part of the self-promotion process, and in the process of becoming a part of the self-promotion process, you're going to earn commissions. These are bona fide cash in the bank, Coinbase. And once it gets to Coinbase, and that's left up to you to decide where you want to transfer it. Leave it on, leave it on your Coinbase in the actual account so that you can spend it, or you can divert it to a bank account or to an investment account or any type of account that's necessary. So come and join me. Become a part of this worldwide phenomenon. Because where's Google? Where's YHWH? YHWH is worldwide. Google is worldwide. So come and join me.